Hey gang, I'm back with a very short little video to show you how to embed a YouTube video so it looks nice inside of Canvas. So there's a couple ways to go about this, but if you actually use embed codes, which you can get from YouTube, things look a lot nicer. So this is the way I'd like people to do it in our class. So let's say that you go to YouTube and you find something you'd like to work with. So this is this Photoshop series I like called You Suck at Photoshop. Check it out if you get a chance. If I want to take this and embed it in the reply of a discussion on Canvas, I'll go down on this page to here and say share. And then if I go to embed, I'll get a little bit of code right here. And this is HTML code. And so even if you haven't coded before, it's easy. Don't worry. You just copy this batch of code. And then we're going to head back over to Canvas. And I'll put a little reply in here at the bottom. So I'll click on reply right here. Your view might look a little bit different as a student. And then instead of using insert like we're used to, I'll come down here to the bottom and I'll click on this little button which represents a tag of HTML code. And what that'll do is it'll show me my reply in HTML instead of plain text. So for example, if I were just to write something like hello, and then I switch over to tags, we can see that automatically these paragraph tags are being added in the background. So in this case, I'll just paste in that embed code, so there's some stuff about iframes and sizes and whatever. We don't care about any of that. And when we switch back out of HTML mode, we can see that now the video is embedded. I can now play around with it in the WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get editor. So I could center it, for example, hit enter, and then say, you suck at Photoshop, and some details about the author and so forth. I'm doing a bad job typing while I'm talking. So this is the way that you want to embed YouTube videos. There are some other options up here in the graphical buttons, but I never find that they look quite as nice. So go ahead and get those embed codes and plug them in just like I have.